Hello and welcome to this tip of the week video where we'll be taking a little bit closer look at the 10,000-08 wheel kit for all of our pedestal stands. This wheel kit allows you to easily move the whole workstation almost like a two-wheel hand truck or dolly. So the wheels are never contacting the ground while the stand is stationary. It's on its four leveling feet, which you can level if your concrete or your floor isn't perfect. So with the wheels being off the ground, you never have any risk of the sharpener walking away from you while you're pushing against it during the sharpening process. Now we have a little bit closer view here of the wheels, and you'll see this bar bridges between two of the stand legs. And you'll see here I can rotate the wheels. They are not touching the ground while the stand is stationary. The wheels not contacting the ground ensures the rigidity of the sharpener while it's in use on the stand. Again, it's solid on those leveling feet here. There are four leveling feet, one on each leg, keeping that stand rigid while you're grinding. The wheel kit is also very simple to install. You'll see it's simply 4 bolts on each leg to connect this bracket to the stand. Some of the nice applications for having wheels on our pedestal stand is, let's say, for example, you didn't have a dust collector. Now there are dust collectors on all the systems that we're showing here, but let's say you didn't have a dust collector or it wasn't in your budget. You could put a wheel kit on your workstation and be able to wheel it outside of your shop and grind outside, not keeping that grinding dust and mess inside of your shop. Another nice application is if you have left-handed blades, because for left-handed blades on all Magna-Matic sharpeners, you have to stand on the other side of the machine because our wheel is single direction and the sparks are always going away. The wheel is always pushing the blade away. So that means for a left-handed blade, you stand on the opposite side of the machine. So if your machine is kind of up against a wall like these are shown and you need to do left-handed blades, the wheel kit makes it very easy for you to wheel it away from the wall and be able to do those left-handed blades. The next nice thing is for storage. In off-season time, you can very easily take the whole workstation and wheel it off into a corner where it's not in use. And now I'll give you a quick demonstration of how easy it is to move our workstations with the wheel kit. The easiest is to place one hand on the balancer arm and then the other hand on the sharpener handle. You can use your foot on the wheel bracket bar to tip it back and then simply wheel the unit to where you'd like it. I hope that gave you a little insight on the application and how to use the 10,000-08 wheel kit and how it might be an advantage in your shop. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions, certainly call us at 800-328-1110 or email us through Magna-Matic.com. You can find the wheel kit and all the other accessories for our stands to really create a customized workstation for your shop at Magna-Matic.com. Thank you very much for watching.